Hello everyone, I welcome you to Arc Genesis. This is the next mock test for the preferential type question that is in part A. Part A के अंदर first it was a drawing test. Now they have just introduced some changes. तो अभी 17 मार्क्स के क्वेश्चंस हम लोगों ने थ्री और आई थिंक इट वाज थ्री क्वेश्चंस हम डिस्कस कर रहे थे. So but if you see about this type of the questions, now the one PTQ type question will be come on the 17 marks, only one question. But three question will also come from of 16 marks. So today's test, I have compiled some PTQ type that is for 16 mark questions and some MCQs. So it is going to be like this. So let's focus. And for this lecture PDF, you can download from the Telegram channel. And if you wish, you can also follow our Instagram channel. So this is for the 16 mark questions. आपको बताना है which of the following four terms describe the pictures given below. आपको बताना है पिक्चर देखने के बाद कि which you are actually thinking कि इसमें क्या क्या चीज फिट हो सकती है. So let's pause this video. First try to get the four or five something. It is like आपके हिसाब से क्या क्या चीजें इसको प्रिडिक्ट करती हैं और को डिस्क्राइब करते हैं. सो आई थिंक आपने वीडियो पॉज कर कर अपने आप आंसर्स वगैरह लिख लिए होंगे. सो लेट्स थिंक. First of all, it is a hot and humid. No, it can't be humid because if it is humid, then it will become the evergreen. यहाँ पर, but it is barren land. So we cannot say it's hot and humid. No, it is not there. Rhythm, yes, we can see the rhythm here. For example, there are some sand dunes and it's creating the feeling of the rhythm. Is barren land? Yes, it is also a barren land because hardly any vegetation is there. Distortion, no, distortion is not there. It is like okay. Contrast, in this picture we don't find any object which is coming out from this thing. So no, contrast is also not there. Aerial view, yes, we can say it is like an aerial, but again let's put on hold. Okay, click it. Lowland, no, these are not the lowland. Gradation, yes, it is a part of the gradation. Why? Because अगर आप देखेंगे तो यहाँ पर डार्क है, यहाँ पर लास्ट में जाकर बैकग्राउंड मर्ज हो जाता है. Yes, it is a we can see the gradation. It is the bright yellow color or like this color, but under it is become the dull. Gradation is there. Hot and arid, yes, it is true. It is hot and arid. गर्म भी है और सूखा भी है. That's why we don't have any vegetations here. Evergreen, no. Marshy, no. So we can choose rhythm, barren, aerial, gradation, hot and arid. So of course we have to find only four options, but we can like a 4 to 5. It can be changed according to your preferential. So I have seen so many comments कि सर इसका ये हो सकता है. First of all, listen, अगर आपके fundamentals clear हैं तो आप कर सकते हैं. A picture cannot be only seen example of an one element. एक पिक्चर के अंदर काफी कुछ और भी हो सकता है. सो आपको देखना है. दैट्स वाई इट इज कॉल्ड ए प्रेफरेंशियल. इसका राइट या परफेक्ट जवाब कुछ नहीं हो सकता है, पर जो आपको सबसे नंबर वो मिलेंगे जो काउंसिल ऑफ आर्किटेक्चर ने डिसाइड किए होंगे. फॉर एग्जाम्पल दे डिसाइडेड कि रिदम इज देयर, बैरन इज देयर, ग्रेडेशन इज देयर एंड हॉट एंड रेड देयर. जो इन चार जो ऑप्शन हैं इन्होंने क्लिक किए होंगे, सो दे विल गेट अ फुल मार्क्स. लेकिन अगर बाई चांस किसी ने बैरन कर एरियल भी कर दिया होगा या कुछ करके एक दो नंबर कम हो जाएगा. So it is like the preferential. So there is nothing to fight कि इसका ये हो सकता है, ये क्या हो सकता है. It a picture can be of 2 or 3 more elements. Clear? So now come to some more questions. Which type of balance is demonstrated when the visual weight is heavier on one side and on the other side? तो ये एक एग्जांपल दिया गया है, एक आपको स्टेटमेंट दिया गया है, वो किसको डिफाइन करता है. इट इज सिमेट्रिकल बैलेंस और रेडियल बैलेंस, नो बैलेंस और एसिमेट्रिकल बैलेंस. सो आई थिंक आपने जवाब इसका ढूंढ लिया होगा. तो लेट्स कम. दिस इज द पिक्चर. नाउ what type of balance is demonstrated when the visual weight is heavier on one side than the other? Here we can see this is line, so it is heavier weight is there. Again if we see this is heavier weight in here, so it is an example of asymmetrical balance. Symmetrical balance is not available. Radial balance तो हो ही नहीं सकता है, रेडियल में कुछ है ही नहीं, और नो बैलेंस तो वे एक साथ स्टेटमेंट है. So it is the example of asymmetrical balance. Clear? So come to the next picture. Again, which of the following four terms describe the picture given below? So आपको बताना ही है. देख के वीडियो पॉज कीजिए. टेक योर टाइम, 5 मिनट्स 10 मिनट्स वॉट एवर यू फील. सो 12 मिनट दिए गए हैं वैसे, लेकिन आप देख के इसको सोल्व कीजिए. देखिए आप कौन कौन से फाइंड आउट कर पाते हैं. सो आई सपोज आपने वीडियो पॉज करके नाउ कम टू दी एक्सप्लेनेशन पार्ट. It's a bright and fair, bright and fair. Yes, it is like this picture is bright and fair. Yes, it is true. Rhythm, it is like a rhythm. We can say yes, it is a rhythm, repetition of this thing. Barren, no. Repetition, yes, the repetition is most important here because it is a repetition. Contrast, no, everything is common. Symmetry, no. Blur, yes, we can say we can find an element of blurring here. This pictures the The sunflowers are getting blurred. Gradation, as such, no gradation, like the same color is repeating, so no. Scale, yes, scale is also important. Balance, yes, the picture is balanced. Marshland, no. So we can come 1 fair, bright and fair, 2 rhythm, 3 repetition, 4 blur, 5 scale and 6 balance. So you can also eliminate this thing. Balance को हम यहाँ हटा भी सकते हैं एक तरीके से. Balance is not so prominent here, and we can say yes 1 2 3 4 5 depend. स्केल अगर मुझसे बात की जाए तो स्केल ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है, देन रिपीटेशन ऑल्सो इंपॉर्टेंट, एंड रिथम और ब्राइट एंड फेयर. ओके, कम टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. What type of balance is demonstrated when the visual weight is equal on both sides? So I think it is one of the easiest question. आपको इस तरह क्वेश्चन देखने को मिल सकते हैं. So the right answer is, इसका visual interpretation ये आएगा कि it is like balance. So the right option is symmetrical balance. Next question. Which of the following four terms describe the pictures given below? So it is grayscale, asymmetry, scale, repetition, contrast, symmetry, blur, gradation, proportion, balance, distortion. So pause this video, try to solve your own, then come to the play this video. So the let's discuss grayscale. Yes, we can say only two colors is there, gray and like white. Asymmetry, no, symmetry is there. Scale, there is hardly any scale. Repetition, yes, repetition is there. Contrast, nothing contrast. Symmetry, we can say yes. If we divide the axis here, it is like a symmetry. Yes, symmetry is there. Blur, no. All pictures. Gradation, no. Proportion, first of all, we cannot say the proportion somewhere. But अगर if you see कहीं कुछ part available है. For example, यहाँ के जो डोर जो विंडोज हैं और को हम स्केल में ले सकते हैं. But is again it is not so prominent. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल देयर आर सम क्वेश्चंस लाइक कमेंट सेक्शन की सर स्केल और ग्रेडेशन में स्केल और प्रोपोर्शन में डिफरेंस क्या होता है. सो आई विल टेल. एंड प्रोपोर्शन इट इज नॉट देयर. बैलेंस, यस इट इज अ बैलेंस, डिस्टॉर्टेड नो. सो बैलेंस इज देयर, सिमेट्री इज देयर, रिपीटेशन इज देयर, ग्रे स्केल इज देयर. क्लियर. सो नाउ कम टू दी व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन स्केल एंड प्रोपोर्शन. देखो, सपोज दिस इज वन पेंसिल एंड दिस इज when we are actually comparing two objects differently, so we can say it is on the scale. For example, it is a 6 centimeter or it is 3 centimeter. So we can say they have the ratio of the scale is 2:1. Clear. But what if we says कि जो ये पेंसिल है कितनी आगे शार्प है, so maybe it is like 3:1. So now when we discussing, we are actually comparing the same object, so it is became the proportion. Clear. Second example can be, this is a one person and there is another small person. So when we are discussing, we are comparing both A and B, so it has become the ratio. When we are discussing this person कि इसके बाल कितने बड़े हैं, कितने चेहरे से कितने निकल कर आते हैं, या फिर उसके हाथ कितने छोटे हैं बड़े हैं, now it's become the proportion. I think it's clear now. So what type of balance is demonstrated when the visual weight is distributed from the center outward? So try to solve it first. Now you will get easily. So this is the full interpretation of this picture. It is a radial balance. Clear. So the next question, which of the following four terms describe the picture given below? So grayscale, first try to solve it. Grayscale, no, grayscale is not there. Asymmetry, no, it is like in symmetry, like similar, so no. Organic form, yes, organic is there. Repetition, we can say some part is repeated again, but let's put on hold. Contrast, no, it is there nothing like in a contrast, like merging, so no. Symmetry, yes, symmetry is there, but again blur, no. Texture, yes, texture is there, where you can see the textures is important. Proportions, we can say the proportion. Unity, yes, we can say the unity. So according to me, first will be the organic, then texture, then symmetry, and the proportion. Or we can also use the, in place of proportion, we can also give the preference to unity. It depends person to person. Okay, which principle of design fits this definition? The path in which the viewer's eyes travel across the work of art. तो उसके बारे में बताना है क्या चीज. It is a unity, or the pattern, it is emphasis, or some movement. This question is for you. You write down in the comment section. Now come to the next question. What photography technique creates a composition guide by dividing the picture plane into thirds, that is horizontal, vertically, and placing the subject matters on one of the intersections? So it is a balance, composition, rule of thirds, or principle of design. Right answer is rule of थर्ड. सिंपल है, आपने किसी फोटो को तीन पार्ट में डिवाइड कर दिया, वर्टिकली एंड हॉरिजॉन्टली. अगर मैं एक हल्का सा बात बताऊं आपको, सो अगर फॉर एग्जांपल दिस इज अ पिक्चर कैनवास और द पिक्चर प्रिंट फॉर यू. सो अगर आपको कोई पिक्चर रखनी है, इट इज़ अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर द फोटोग्राफी एज वेल. सो अकॉर्डिंग टू अवर आइज, ये पूरी हमारी कैनवास से पूरा व्यू है, तो हमारी आइज सबसे ज़्यादा कैचिंग क्या चीज़ करती है? सो दीज आर द इंटरसेक्शन विच इज़ मोर इंपॉर्टेंट. तो आप कोई भी अगर फोटोग्राफ क्लिक करते हैं, फॉर एग्जाम्पल देर इज एन like a photograph of a flower, so आपको it is better to put it here इन sections के ऊपर रखें. कोई फोटोग्राफ क्लिक करते हैं rather than कि आप उसको center oriented रखते हैं. It is a technique of the photography. So it is the intersections which is more important, and this thing is called as rule of thirds. Clear? Next question, which of the following is not a reason why composition is important to the graphic art? तो आपको देखकर बताना है कि कंपोजिशन क्यों जरूरी नहीं है, ये उसका फीचर नहीं है. अ गुड कंपोजिशन एंगेज द व्यूअर यूजुअली. यस, इट इज ट्रू. सो वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट द नोट. सो फर्स्ट स्टेटमेंट इज राइट. अ गुड कंपोजिशन हेल्प्स द व्यूअर फाइंड इंफॉर्मेशन क्विकली. इट इज राइट. अगेन, a good composition keeps the viewer interested. It is again third. A good composition is done quickly and timely. No, it is wrong, because for a good composition you need some time. Clear? So the wrong answer is, which principle of design fits this definition? The consideration of weight and importance in an art piece. So it is a balance, it is a unity, it is a proportional movement. Here it is a balance. Here we can see the dark part is balanced by the bright part, and the dark part here it is again balanced by the bright part. So the right option is the balance. Again, which principle of design fits the definition? The feeling of unity when the all part relates well to each other. तो एक तरीके आपको यूनिटी की फीलिंग कब देती है? जब उसके डिफरेंट पार्ट्स आपको एक दूसरे रिलेट कर पाते हो. इट्स अ बैलेंस. नो. रूल ऑफ थर्ड्स? नो. वैरायटी? नो. इट्स प्रोपोर्शन. द राइट ऑप्शन इज प्रोपोर्शन. सो वी कैन सी कि यहां पर वी कैन डिवाइड. दिस इज द प्रोपोर्शन, लाइक कितना यहाँ पर होगा उसके बीच में लाइंस का. इट इज कॉल्ड द प्रोपोर्शन. And this picture is Mona Lisa. It is the painter was Leonardo da Vinci, and this time it is in Paris, the Louvre रखी गई है. Can you tell me one information? The Mona Lisa of India. Mona Lisa तो ये ही है मेन, लेकिन इंडिया की भी एक है which is considered as the Mona Lisa of India. Write down in the comment section. So next question is, which principle of design fits this definition? Using multiple principles of design to hold the viewer's attention. क्या है यहाँ पर? बैलेंस है? नहीं, इतना जरूरी नहीं है. पैटर्न? नो. वैरायटी? नो. और प्रोपोर्शन? नो. फिर क्या सही है? इट इज द पैटर्न. Here we, the most important is the using multiple principle of the design to hold the viewer attention. It is a pattern. Next question, which principle of design fits this definition? Work from pattern. Repeated element do not have to be identical to each other. So repetition तो होता है, लेकिन कुछ जरूरी नहीं है जो repeated elements हो सेम टू सेम हो. That is, there is no need to have the identical. It is a balance. No. Repetition, yes, it is a repetition. Variety, तो if it is different, it will become the variety. Pattern, it is again with the variety. So repetition will be the right option. So this is the end of the video. If you like, please like, comment, share with your friends, as the examination is over. We have just only 3 to 4 days left. So your focus has to be on your education. Let's complete and crack this NATA examination. Thanks for joining. We will see you in another video with this. Thanks for joining again.